I'm Nick Florick, and I'm CEO and co-founder of General Lattice.
I'm Merrick Moffitt, Chief Innovation Officer at General Lattice.
Hi, I'm Alex Rhodes, and I'm the COO of General Lattice.
As toolmakers of the future, we are always looking for new ways to ignite innovation with new users and allow them to explore new possibilities.
We view additive manufacturing as the next revolution of product innovation. With the unique ability to create lattice geometries and one-to-one personalized products at scale, additive manufacturing enables designers and engineers to push product innovation beyond the boundaries of traditional manufacturing methods.
Today, developing applications for additive manufacturing requires a complex web of standalone software, adding significant time and cost to businesses. Furthermore, current AM software uses the STL file format, which is incompatible with traditional CAD data. This limits users' ability to adjust models and adds time-consuming import-export processes.
To address these problems, we developed GL Studio. GL Studio saves businesses time and money by simplifying the product development process as the first AM software to offer advanced latticing tools directly in native CAD platforms without using the STL.
When developing GL Studio, our goal was simple:
to create powerful, intuitive tools that make innovating with AM remarkably easy, while at the same time providing superior control and accuracy. Applying traditional CAD workflows and methods, GL Studio offers the user intuitive tools that they are already familiar with. "3D modeling with mesh files is extremely difficult for a number of reasons. They use tessellated faces that approximate the underlying geometry, limiting user design control and offering poor integration across CAD platforms.
In contrast, GL Studio works exclusively with BREP data, enabling the user to seamlessly incorporate lattice geometries into conventional part files or assemblies, giving the ability to use traditional CAD commands while taking advantage of parametric history.
Offering direct-to-print functionality, there's no meshing required, no export. Simply slice your BREP data directly in GL Studio and send it to the machine.
Understanding that additive manufacturing is a part of a larger manufacturing ecosystem, we felt that it was important for GL Studio to work within existing CAD platforms.
Today, we are working with leading CAD software providers to enable as many engineers and designers as possible to innovate with GL Studio.
This way, users have access to all of their tools in a single platform with the ability to reduce import-export, rapidly iterate with parametric history, and work within a UI that is familiar.
Our role at General Lattice is to enable creators around the world to push the boundaries of innovation, remove obstacles of the past, and create innovation for the future.
And we look forward to being a part of their success.